Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Master of Art in Sustainable Design program and part of your online orientation. Hey, in the last video we talked about the social media that we're engaged with, so I just want to spend a couple of minutes orienting you to that. I'm sure all of you have seen this page by now. It's mcad.edu/sustainable, or the full URL is up here. So this is where, I'm sure you've explored this, but just in case you haven't, you can see the overview page. You can watch a video about one of our alumni here. And then the degree information is here. It's just kind of an overview of what the program offers. And if you scooch down to the bottom, you'll see the course descriptions and view all. So all the courses that we talked about in the last video and that you're familiar with are briefly described here. And if you want more detailed descriptions, you're welcome to contact me. And during advising week, we'll talk more in detail about them. So that's the main thing I want to show you on this page. Several times I mentioned that what we call our blog site. It's mcadsustainabledesign.com. So indeed, we do have a blog each week. I post a blog. Sometimes it's about a student. It might be about something that's going on in the program. For example, this is a blog on what this last semester's visual communications for sustainability produced. It could be about a leader in the field of sustainability that we've engaged with, a conference that we've gone to. So something about our faculty. So go ahead and explore this. You can go back for several pages and see what we're doing, what we're thinking about. Some of these are original thought pieces. I also mentioned that if you go to the students page, you can see all the current students in the program. And if you click on one of them, you can read more about them. So you can get to know your fellow students here. If it's not there already, your image and bio will be up here soon. Those who have graduated from the program, you can find on the alumni page. And just same, you can click on them and learn more about them. And then we provide a little bit more contact information about them. As I mentioned, you can learn about our faculty here. We keep a whole range of faculty available to us. As I mentioned, we're all adjunct, and so only a couple are teaching each semester. And while they're teaching and when they're not teaching, they're out doing their work out in the world. So amazing people to get to know. And if you don't have a reason to contact them directly, let me know, and I can definitely help connect you. I mentioned too that all the past thesis project papers and presentations are in the projects page here. This is an amazing resource. Like I said, all the past projects are here. The earlier ones were in the form of a paper, and later we switched to a thesis project presentation. And the cool thing is that you can click on this here. It takes you directly to the library digital portal or digital collection. You can read a description of the thesis here, which is their abstract, and you actually download the whole thesis here. So that is an amazing resource that's available to you, whether or not you're a student. So and we'll also point out events here, things that we've been have been doing and upcoming. So be sure to check that periodically. And also, as a student, I'll pester you about those things. As I said, we're active on Twitter. We repost our own blogs and what's going on. We also follow a bunch of people so I can share with you some of the things that I think are really relevant. I can follow you, you can follow back, so you can get publicity yourself through this. And then we have a Facebook page. I know not everyone uses Facebook, but that's another outlet that we have available to us. So the program has a page. The students have their own page. So students, so it's a closed group, and you can keep stuff amongst yourselves. You don't have to be so proper on this site, and the alumni actually have their own group. And the last bit of social media I want to share with you is LinkedIn. We have a LinkedIn group. I repost our blogs here. I post other articles, and if you've got things you want to share on LinkedIn, this is a great place to do it. We've got followers, and they like and forward our stuff here too. So again, if there's something that you want to share, this is a great way for you to get yourself out in the world. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you about our social media. I hope you get engaged in it, and you share what's going on in your world with me, and then I can share it with everyone else. Okay, take care, you guys.